try this reversed winged eyeliner and share it with those friends who are scared of making wing eyeliner. So this one especially for those who are scared of making wing eyeliner or got hooded eyes. And of course is a beginner friendly. So let's get started. With fluffy brush, pick any light brown shade. Look straight, starting from middle of your eyes. Put it all over your eyelid. Blend and spread evenly all over your lid, and then grab pencil brush. Then go in with a chocolate brown eyeshadow and line completely underneath, making slight wing going upward and outward. Now grab same brush or angle brush like this, and now the magic will happen. Now pick dark brown eyeshadow, stamp and make a wing eyeliner following the same line we have created previously. Match it to your lower lid and upper lid corner. You don't have to be perfect. It's not meant to be perfect. To fill up this tiny little corner, and then with the help of kajal pencil, it can be black or a brown. I'm taking black one and tight line your upper lid. You can tight line like this if you're very confident, or take a support of your fingers, lift it up and tight line your upper lid. And now with the angle brush, blend your lower lid, your corner and your upper lid with open eyes. Blend everything nicely, neatly, slowly. Last step, with the help of finger, pick any shimmer shade and apply. First to the middle and then going inward, and then blending it well to your eyelid. And here you go. You are done with the reversed eye wing line, and you see there is lot of eyelid space, as this doesn't take any eyelid space. So this is perfect for hooded eyes and make your eyes look bigger and beautiful. And as you have seen, it is so simple to do, beginner friendly. Try this right away and share it with your those friends who are scared of making wing eyeliners. So this one perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more.